Yes, now students, now we are going to do our workbook problems. So first, in our first week, rounding numbers to the nearest tens. Our topic is estimation. So from this estimation topic, we are going to do our workbook problems. First, in the first week, round up the following numbers to the nearest tens. Here. Nearest to tens we have to round off. Nearest to tens means in ones place we have to keep 0. In ones place we have to keep 0. Ones place 0 and in tens place we have to decide. Here 3 is there, less than 5. 3 less than 5, so that is why 4 we keep as it is 40. And in ones place 0, in tens place we have to decide. What is there in ones place? 9. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So we make 6 as 7. It is in tens place. In ones place we keep 0. In ones place we keep 0 first. So then in tens place first we have to check what is there in ones place. It is less than 5. It is less than 5. So 3 we keep as it is and 1. And in ones place we keep 0. And after that we check what is there in tens place. In ones place 8, it is greater than 5. It is greater than 5 means 7 is 8 and 20 as it is. 20 as it is. 2078. Nearest to tens is 2080. And in that same way, in ones place 0. Then after that what is there in ones place here? 1. It is less than 5. So these 2 we keep as it is. Then 1, 2, 6 same. Then 12,621. Nearest to tens is 12,620. 620. Here. In ones place we keep 0. Then after that here you have to check what is there in ones place. It is greater than 5. It means here it will get 7. The remaining same 0, 5, 4. 45,067. Nearest 10 is 45,070. 45,070. Nearest tens. Now here also. First in ones place 0. Then after that we have to check what is there in ones place. In ones place 7 is there. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So 0 plus 1. Here 1 we have to increase. That is 1 will come. The 4 as it is. Here in ones place we keep 0. After that what is there in ones place? In ones place 2 is there. That is less than 5. If less than 5 then as it is. Then remaining 5, 6. So in ones place we keep 0 and after that we have to check what is there in ones place. It is equal to 5. If the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we have to add plus 1 to this tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the remaining 4, 8, 3 we have to keep as it is. In this way we have to round off the numbers nearest to tens. Nearest tens, once again listen here, what is nearest 10, how to make nearest to 10. Remember 2 things. So first, when he asks nearest to tens, keep in ones place 0. No doubt you have to keep ones place 0. Then after that, you have to check what is given in ones place in the given number. Either it is 5 or greater than 5. You have to increase plus 1. You have to add plus 1 to the tens place. If the value in ones place in the given number is less than 5, then you have to keep tens place as it is, no change. And the remaining digits, if extra digits, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, whatever is given, that you keep as it is, there is no change. Only we have to decide, so what will come in tens digit. That depends on ones digit. If ones digit is greater than 5 or 5, then we have to add plus 1 to the tens digit. If it is less than, then you keep tens digit as it is. These things you have to keep in your mind. First, If tens digit he asks, then what you have to do? You have to keep 0 in one's place. See here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in one's place. If he asks nearest to tens, you keep 0 in the ones place. Then after that, you check what is there in ones place in the given number. It is greater than or equal to 5, then you have to add plus 1 to the tens place. If it is less than, then you keep your tens digit as it is. The remaining extra digits if you keep, then you keep as it is. Okay. So these are the nearest tens. Then how to make? Then nearest hundreds. Nearest, now we are going to do nearest hundreds. So when here ones place we keep 0 if you ask tens. If you ask hundreds, ones and tens, both the digits we keep zeros. Then hundreds place. Then hundreds, for that 100 you have to check tens digit. In tens digit we checked ones place. Here tens place we have to check. One digit we have to increase. So then 2, it is less than. It is less than 5. So this 5 as it is we have to keep in hundreds place. Here nearest to 100. So ones and tens place 0. And after that you have to check what is there in tens place. In tens place 9 is there. 9 is there means it is greater than 5. So 8 will come. It will become 900. Here. Ones and tens place is 0. Then once you check what is there in tens place, 8. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. Then here we will get 4. And this 1000 place same. Then here 2 zeros, ones and tens. Then after that, what is there in tens place? 4. It is less than 5. So 1 as it is. Then 10,000 place same. Then ones place and tens place 0. Then here what is there in tens place? In tens place 9. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. 3. I have to add plus 1 to this 3. Then it will get 4. Then hundreds and thousands places same. Next, ones and tens places same. Then after that, what is there in tens place? 8. It is greater than 5. Then we have to add plus 1 to this. Then 8. Then thousands and 10,000 places same. Then ones and tens places zeros. And what is there in tens place? Tens place 9. 9 means it is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, add plus 1 to this. 0 plus 1 is 1. That you have to keep. Then thousands places and 10,000 places same. In this way we have to round off nearest to 100. Nearest to 100. Nearest to 10 and nearest to 100. What is the difference between nearest to tens and nearest to 100? Two differences. In nearest to tens, in ones place we keep zeros. And nearest to hundreds, we have to keep in ones and tens place zeros. This is the difference. And second difference, in ones place we have to check what is given in ones place. So if it is greater than 5 or 5, then we add plus 1 to the tens place. If it is less than, then so we keep tens digit as it is. But in hundreds place we have to check tens digit. So here ones digit we are checking, but in nearest 100 we have to check tens digit. What is given in tens digit? In tens digit it is greater than or equal to 5, then we have to add plus 1 to the hundreds place. If it is less than 5, then that is as it is. The same procedure, but the places change. Here ones digit, here tens digit. Okay. In thousand also the same pattern, but here in ones and tens we are keeping zeros. Here in thousand nearest thousands, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, zeros. Then after that thousands place. For thousands place we have to check what is there in hundreds place. Hundreds place 5 is there. 5 means we have to increase 1 plus 1 to this. We have to add plus 1 to thousands place. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 49,000. 4 as it is. 10,000 place as it is. And here also ones, tens, hundreds same. Then thousands place. What is there in hundreds place 2? It is less than 5. Then 6 as it is. Then this 10,000 as it is. Then here also ones, tens, hundreds, same. Then thousands place. For thousands place, what is there in tens, hundreds place? 6. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. Then we have to add plus 1 to this thousands place. 3 plus 1, 4. Then again, ones, tens, hundred, zeros. Then what is there in 10,000s place? What is there in thousands place? For that we have to check what is there in hundreds place. In hundreds place 7 is there. 7 means it is greater than 5. So we have to add plus 1 to thousands. 4 plus 1, 5. And 10,000s plus as it is. Again then, ones, tens, hundred place is same. Thousands place. For that we have to check what is there in hundreds place. It is greater than 5. We have to add plus 1 to this thousands place. 1 plus 1 and 4 as it is. And ones, tens, hundreds same. For thousands place, you have to check hundreds place. So it is greater than 5. We have to increase plus 1. You have to add plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So in this way, you have to run off this nearest thousands. Nearest thousands, nearest hundreds, nearest tens. Okay. Yes. Now students, one question is given here. So reasoning question. Here Ritu, Sonam and Radhika, 3 friends. Ritu, Sonam and Radhika were given a number. So what is that number? 18,925. This is a number. So what they did, this number, Radhika rounded. So Radhika rounded nearest 10. And Ritu rounded nearest 100. Radhika nearest to tens. Ritu nearest hundreds. And Sonam rounded nearest to thousands. So they did like that. Then will these answers same? Find out. We have to find out. First, Radhika rounded nearest tens. First solution, Radhika rounded nearest 10. First here number. What is the number? 18,925. Nearest to 10. Nearest to 10 means in ones place we keep 0. In ones place we keep 0. In tens place we have to check what is there in ones place. In ones place 5 is there. If ones place 5 is there, then it will increase by 1. Then here we get 3. The remaining same. This is nearest tens. Then next, who? Radhika, Ritu. After that Ritu rounded nearest 100. Nearest 100 means in ones place, in tens place we keep 0. Then for hundreds place we have to check this hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? In hundreds place 2 is there. That means it is less than 5. So 9 we take as it is and 8 1. Then after that Sonam rounded nearest to thousands. So then nearest thousand means we have to keep 3 zeros. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So for that you have to check what is there in hundreds place. Hundreds place 9 is there. 9 means it is greater than 5. Then here we have to add 1 to thousands place, then we get 9 and 1 as it is, 19,000. So this is the Radhika number, this is Ritu's number, this is Sonam's number. So all these three numbers are not same. They are different numbers. They are not same. Radhika's number, What is Radhika's number? 18,930. Then after that, Ritu's number, Ritu's number 18,900, and then Sonam's number. Sonam's. So what is Sonam's number? 19,000. So these are all the three numbers, three different numbers. So what will their answer be same? He is asking. No. The answers are not same. No. The answers are not same. So they are different numbers. All the three numbers are different numbers. So this is the answer. In this way we have to do. Next, estimation of sum and difference. Sum and difference we have to estimate. Here, first nearest to tens. Here nearest to tens. Nearest to tens we have to estimate. First, actually we have to add. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 5, 8. 86. Nearest to 10 he is asking. Nearest to 10 means here we have to keep, in ones place we have to keep zeros. Nearest to tens. Then after that, here what is there in tens place? Ones place 5. So it is equal to or greater than, we have to add plus 1 to tens place. Then you get 4 here. Here next, what is there in ones place? In ones place 1, it is less than 5. So we take 5 as it is. Now we add 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then estimated is 90. Actual is 86. Actual is 86. Here. Subtraction. 7 minus 5. Then minus is bigger. 7 minus 5 is 2. Here 3 minus 8. Minus is smaller. Minus is smaller. Take power from here. It will get. It will increase by 10. It will decrease by 1. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. 152. 152. Now, nearest to tens we have to find. Nearest to tens. First, ones place 0. Nearest to tens, what is there here? 3. Check here ones place. What is there in ones place? Ones place 7 is there. It is more than 5. So, we have to add plus 1 to tens. That will be 4. Then we will get 4. And this 4 as it is. And again here, what is there in tens place? In tens place, in ones place, what is there in ones place? In ones place 5 is there. If it is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add plus 1 to this. Get plus 1, 9. So 9 we will get. And this 2 as it is. 0. And we take power from here. Here we will increase by 4. Here we will decrease by 1. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5, 6. 14 minus 9, 6, 5. Here 5. Then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 150. So this is the estimated answer is 150. Actual answer is 152. In this way we have to make nearest to tens. Then after that actual minus and estimated minus we have to find, and actual addition and estimated addition also we have to find. More one question is left in this bit, that minus question is left, that is for your home assignment. Yes, now students, solve and estimate the answer nearest to 100. Nearest to 100 we have to find. First we have to add actual calculation. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 5, 14. 14, 4 here and 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 8, 9. 942. This is nearest to 100. No? 1's plus 10's plus we will get 0. 1's plus 10's plus we will get 0. Here 6 is there. In 10's plus 9 is there. It is greater than 5. So it will get 7. Here also it is 5. Equal to or greater than 5. We have to add plus 1 to this. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then add 0, 0, 7 plus 3, 10. This is nearest to value, nearest to thousands, nearest to hundreds. So it is 1000. Here accurate is 942. 942. Now here add, subtract, usual calculation. 9 minus 7 is 2. And take borrow. Here we will get 10. Here we will get 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Now estimate it. First in 1's place and 10's place we will get zeros. Now here 5 is there. In 10's place 0 is there. So 5 as it is, no change. Why? Because 0 is less than 5. And here 1 is there. Here 4 is there. It is less than 5. It is less than 5. So 1 as it is. Then 0, 0, 5 minus 1 is 400. Estimated is 400 and accurate is 362. 362. Now here estimate nearest to thousands. Nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000 we have to find. First add 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 1, 2 tens and 1 hundreds. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 7, 8, 9. Next 2 plus 3 5. 5925. Nearest to thousands, so in ones, tens, 100 we will get 1's, tens, 100. Then in thousands place, what is there in hundreds place 6? It is greater than 5, so we will get here 3. Here less than 5 we will get 3 as it is. 3 we will get as it is. Then add 0, 0, 0, 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. Here we get 6000. Here 5925. This is accurate. This is estimated. Estimated addition. Here subtraction. See here 1789 minus 685. 685. Now in ones place 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 7 minus 6 is 1. And this one as it is. This one as it is. Now nearest to thousands means ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We have to take zeros. We have to take zeros. Here in hundreds place what is there? 7. It is more than 5. So we have to add plus 1 to this. Then we will get 2. Now here nothing is there, then take 0. In thousands place nothing is there, then take 0. Then what is there in hundreds place? 6. It is more than 5. It is more than 5. So we have to add plus 1 to this. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now minus 0, 0, 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1000. So here nearest to 1000, accurate answer is estimated is 1000 and accurate is 1104. So like this you have to find accurate answer and estimated answers. Now round sensibly. So already we discussed in our textbook. So some of the numbers we cannot round off, we cannot round it. So what kind of a number we cannot round it? So and what kind of number we can round it? So that we discuss. In this few examples are given, few questions are given. So in that questions, so and say when the number can be rounded and when it can't. Put if it is rounded, then keep a tick mark, and if it is not, then make a cross mark. Make a cross mark. The question is first, the human body has 206 bones. How many bones have 206? Number of bones in human body, that is fixed, no change, nothing. If you can round off 200, then where can we get 6 bones? So it's not possible, it's not correct. So we cannot round off this value. Number of bones 206. We cannot less and we cannot more. We cannot more it and we cannot less the value of this number of bones. So these 206 bones are the fixed bones, so the constant bones. So that is why this comes under, we cannot round it. So this one we cannot round it. Then population of Bangalore, so that can be rounded. So population can be rounded. And number of peoples, 38 lakhs 52,927 people visited Shirdi Sai Baba temple this year. Number of people visited, this many people visited. So then it can be rounded. It can be rounded. Then the fees of 1 year diploma course in computer graphic is, computer graphic diploma course fees 6,850. So the amount, it can be rounded, fees can be rounded. So this is also rounded. Then Rahul Dravid scored 128 runs against in the first one-day cricket match. Number of runs 128. So 128, whatever the player made runs, so that runs are fixed. If we increase more, if we rounded 130 like that, 2 more runs we are added. So how it's not correct? So why? Because if the runs are more, so the team will win the match or lose the match. So each and every run is countable. So that is why we cannot round the runs. So it cannot be rounded. So one more question is there. So that question you read and you think either it is rounded or it cannot be rounded. Think and do that one. So, okay.